class. You are welcome to online learning. My name is Osayen Kachi, your maths teacher. The topic we have on the board is called joint variation, one of the subtopics we have been treating since this week. So, joint variation is a combination of direct variation and inverse variation. It is joint because variation, yes, like I said before, it's the combination of joints and direct variation and inverse variation. You can be told that, somebody may tell you that R is directly proportional to T and inversely to K. That is 1 over K. This is what they are talking about. So here now, like we have been doing, here now when you remove the sign of proportionality, you have R equal to T over K. Sorry, I'm not supposed to use this K. Let's say I used R. You know the constant of proportionality is K. So you have R. Okay, with this now, R varies directly as T and inversely as 1 over R. Okay, now we will go to solving. We will go to solving. You know, in every variation, they will give you two sides of numbers. The first one they will give you is for you to find the constant, and the second one is for you to find what you have been asked to find. So let's go. Please take the question. I'm not writing. If letter R varies directly as Y and inversely as the square root of X, and R equal to 5 when Y equal to 3, X equal to 9. Find the value of R when Y equal to 18 and X equal to 25. So we'll go to the question now. Solve the first part of the question. When we solve the first part of the question, then we'll go to the second part. The first part is telling us to find the constant. That's the major thing. Please let me clean this. The first part is telling us to find the constant. That's K. Then letter R is directly proportional to X. Is it X? Is directly proportional to Y. Okay. Is directly as Y. And inversely as the square of, and inversely as the square, you know anything inverse is 1 over the square root of X. So this is what the relation is all about. So from here now, when you remove this constant of, when you remove this proportionality sign, you have R equal to K. We have now put K, when we remove this, Ky over square root of X. So the first question, the first numbers they gave us were R5, Y3, and X9. That's when R is equal to 5, Y equal to 3, and X equal to 9. We are looking for K. In this case now, we are looking for K. So what we will do is to put the values which we have been given. R is equal to 5, equal to, we don't know the value of K, but we know our value for Y, yes. You have 3K, because K doesn't have value, all over the square root of X. What is the X? X is 9. So we go to the other side, we go to the other side, you have, or we have, from here now you have 5 equal to 3k all over the square root of 9. What will you multiply? The one number that you multiply to give you 9 is 3. 3 times 3, 9. So you have a square root of 9 is 3. So from here now 5 is equal to 3, we cancel 3. You are left with k. That's the value of 5. A k is 5. K equal to 5. So we go to the second phase of the question. Sorry, I want to clean this. Let me balance. We go to the second phase of the question. When you go to the second phase of the question, it said that find the value of r. That's where we have r equal to k y over square root of x. So we should find the value of r when y equal to 18 and x equal to 25. When y equal to 18 and x equal to 25. Already we know the value of k. We know the value of our k. So from here now, we'll continue. This is also called the relation of this variable, the relationship between the variables. This number now, this thing now we have gotten here is also called the relationship that exists between these variables. So now when we put the values we are looking for r. So you have r to be equal to, what is our k? Our k is 5. 5 times our y is what? 18. All over the square root of 25. What number will you multiply to give you 25? A particular number that you multiply to give you 25 is 5. So the square root of 25 is 5. So you have r equal 5 times 18 over 5. With this now, I think we have gone far. What we will do now is just to cancel 5, we cancel 5. When 5 cancels 5, we are left with r equal to 18. That's the answer for the second part of the question. That is r. So what we'll do now is to give you assignments, or what you practice on this is not difficult, straightforward. So the question goes like this, or go to Essential Mathematics, JS3, go to Essential Mathematics and solve in exercise 16.3, exercise 16.3, number 3. Solve it and forward the answer to me. Take care of yourself and stay safe.